Maybe I've been going nowhere.
And if you're new here, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you're true here, you already know how I go. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for coming to my everyday series where I'll be reviewing a product every day. Okay? Get into it, sis. Get into it. Come on in. Come on in. Today, I'll be reviewing this beautiful, beautiful blush by Sophia and Mabel. It's a pretty pink, soft packaging, and it's black writing. It have Sophia Mabelle with Wet Blush on it, and then on the back they have the name, which is Bubbly. This is 4 grams, 14 ounces. This is how it looks when you open the package. A beautiful clear case, and it's a wet, soft, creamy consistency. This blush here, I tell you, I received it in my Ipsy bag for the month of August. And if you want to see me open some of my Ipsy bags, check out some of my past videos. I'll list them below. This blush is a must-have. It's a must-have. This is a beautiful, soft, pinkish, elegant, little shiny consistency, but it's dry. And it's in a pretty case. And I don't leave home without it because I'm a blush girl. I love my blush. I cannot live without my blush. This blush is perfect. So it retails for $18. But if you go on their site, they have 10% off if you purchase a product with them. This video is not sponsored. Okay, I'm going to go ahead on and swatch this blush for y'all. So I'm going to go on in. Oh my God, y'all. Be careful when you put this on because it is... Look at that. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Oh my God. You definitely need a little bit, and a little bit go a long way. Let me show you how to put it on. You can either put it on with your finger and just already have some on. Dab it in. Don't forget to smile on the apple of your cheeks. And just dab it in. Now that cheek is old school. If you want to take it up a notch, 2021 style, go on up a little with that blush. Go on up a little, give it your little face some color right here. And get some dimension. Get some dimension right here. And yes, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving, honey. Yes. Do y'all see this? Don't act like y'all don't see this. Come on in. Come on in. Oh, this is what's up. I love this. It's giving me Barbie vibes, y'all. So another way that you can put this blush on is get you a brush. This is not a blush brush, but we're gonna go on and use it because this is what I have. And you can just dab them in there. But I don't know if I want to do this because I want to use my product for $18. They don't give you that much now. If you put this on, this is a blush brush. Be careful, a little go a long way. You don't want to look like a clown now. Oh my God, do y'all see that glow? I am very picky when it comes to my blush, y'all. And this is absolutely stunning. It's giving what it's supposed to be gave. And go ahead on and smile and dip it on in. Dip it on in. Dip it on in. Dip it on in. Because you don't want to be looking like a clown now. Dip it on in. Even though blush don't last long. But oh my God. I love this. This is definitely giving what it needs to be gave, honey. And go on up with that blush. Don't be scared. Go on up with that blush and give your face some dimension. Look at that glow, y'all. Oh my God, I am loving this. Okay, so I may try some more shades they have, but this is beautiful. I'm giving me Barbie vibes. I'm getting Barbie vibes over here, y'all. So go on and dip that in, and it's definitely popping up. Like I see the color, so you only need a little bit of this, y'all. You don't need a lot. It have a creamy consistency, so I want this to last. And just go on and dab it in the apple of the cheek. Don't forget to smile. Smile. There we go. There we go. Oh my God, it is definitely giving. I definitely give Sophia Mabelle Bubbly Blush a thumbs up. Now, if you want to purchase this, you can go online, or you can simply subscribe to Ipsy and see if they send you one in a package, or if you in Palm Springs, Florida area, located in Palm Beach. They have a store with a unique wet formula, but it's have a dry consistency. And it's just, I'm in love with it, y'all. I'm in love with it. It has become one of my favorite products. I have been using it since I received it. Go on and get you some, because I'm giving this a thumbs up. It's worth the coins. Look at that. Not too much. Just right. Just a little dab. That's all you need, because it's soft and essential. It's dry, and it lasts a good little time. Like, it's worth you don't have to like keep applying it all day. Like the color, well, y'all know blush don't really last that long. That's why I'm a blush. Sure, I packs the blush on, because soon you get out and about, girl, that blush is wearing off. So yeah, this is definitely cute or whatever when you want to take your pictures or whatever. You might have to dab a little more when you get out and about, but just carry it. It's small enough to carry in your little purse, you know. And yeah, so that's the product for today, guys. And thank you. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and tell me if you go purchase this blush. Tell me in the comments what you think about it. How did you feel about it? Like, do you like it? Do you don't like it? You know, give me some feedback, y'all. Let me know. Let me know if I'm tripping. Let me know if I'm tripping, because I love what I see. So subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Let me know if y'all like this product, okay? And stay tuned for future videos. Stay tuned for more videos like this, where I'll be talking about a different product every day. And it'll be a thumbs up, a thumbs down. I love it, love it, love it. Can't live without it. I adore it. I adore it. I will be buying these for my cousins, aunties, sisters, and brothers, and for their gift, for their goodie bags for the holidays. So yeah, love this. So I'll see you tomorrow in my everyday series, where I'll be showing you a different product. Thank you for watching my video. See you tomorrow. Mwah, mwah.
Maybe I've been going nowhere.